Now I am going to solve some questions from areas related to circles. Our first question is, this is a circle. We have diameter QR. This is point P on semicircle. We have to find the area of this shaded region. Here it is given PQ. PQ is 24 and PR is 7. First of all, as we know that angle in the semicircle is a right angle. Here QR is a diameter, therefore angle P is 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find QR square. QR is equal to root over PR square plus PQ square. We will get the value of QR from here. Then radius of this circle will be half QR. Now we will find area of semicircle. Area of semicircle will be 1 by 2 pi r square. We will put r 1 by 2 QR here. We will find it, let it be equation 1. Now we will find the area of this triangle. Area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. Here base and height will be PR and PQ. Half into PR into PQ. We will find this area. This, let it be 2. Now to find the area of shaded region, area of shaded region will be 1 minus 2, means area of semicircle minus area of triangle. You will get the answer. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2, figure is like this. We have two concentric circles, one and the other circle is this. We have a center O here, this two radii of larger circle with A, C points here, B here and D here. We have to find the area of this shaded region, and it's given this angle is 40 degree. Also circle of radius of smaller circle is 7 centimeter. Let it be represented by small r. Small r 7 centimeter means radius of smaller circle. Capital R 14 centimeter means radius of larger circle is 14 centimeter, and here theta, angle O, theta is equal to 40 degree. We have to find the area of this shaded region. First of all, we will find area of sector AOC. It will be pi r square capital R, theta upon 360. Here we already know the value of pi 22 upon 7, r we have 14 centimeter, theta 40 and this 360. We will find it, let it be 1. Now area, we will find area of sector BOC here. We have found AOC here. Now we will find area of sector BOC. It will be pi r square theta by 360. Pi, we know, r, small r here 7 centimeter, theta already given 40 degree and 360 degree. We will find it and let it be 2. Now to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be 1 minus 2. We will get the answer. Now let us see question number 3. Here question number 3 is figure like this. We have a square ABCD, two semicircles, one and the other is like this. These are two semicircles meeting touching each other at P, and the side of square is given, it is 14 centimeter. 14 and 14 centimeter. We have to find the area of this shaded region. Now first of all we will find the area of square. Area of square will be a square. Here a we have 14 centimeter, means side of square we have 14, let it be 1. Now we will find area of this semicircle. We can see diameter of this is 14 centimeter, therefore area radius of this semicircle will be 7 centimeter, and radius of this semicircle will also be 7 centimeter. We will find area of one semicircle, that is 1 by 2 pi r square, half pi r square. We have to find the area of these both semicircles, so we multiply it by 2. Area of two semicircles, 2 into half pi r square, 2 to cancel, we will get pi r square. In place of r we will put 7 and solve it. Let it be 2. Now area of shaded region will be this 1 minus 2. Area of shaded region is equal to 1 minus 2. I think you will get the answer. In any question, if you are not able to get the answer, kindly write in the comment box. Question number 4 we are going to see. I have already made video of this. You can, but let me explain also again. This is a circle and this is a triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. Here O point, radius of this circle is 6 centimeter, and the side of this A, B, O. Here this, let it be C, let it be D. This point D and this point C. We will find this side of this equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter, and we know each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degrees, so this angle O will be 60 degrees. We will find 3 areas in this figure. First, here radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. We will find area of circle. Here radius of circle 6 centimeter, area of circle will be pi r square. We will find it, let it be 1. Now we will find area of this equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle, it will be root 3 by 4 a square. Here a means side of this triangle is 12 centimeter. We will put a is equal to 12 in this, and we will get area of equilateral triangle. Now we are going to find area of this sector. Area of sector OCD, pi r square theta by 360 degree. Here pi we know, r we have 6 centimeter, theta we have 60 degree. Now we will solve this, let it be 3. Now to find the area of shaded region, this shaded region, we have to find the area of this shaded region. We will add area of circle and area of triangle and subtract this area of segment. Not segment, sector, because it is coming twice, one in the circle and other in this triangle. So area of shaded region is equal to 1 plus 2 means area of circle plus area of triangle, minus 3 means minus area of sector. We will get area of shaded region in this question. Now let us see question number 4 here. Question number not 4, 5 question number. It is given from a corner of a square of side 4 centimeter. It is a square of side 4 centimeter. It is said that from each corner quadrant of radius 1 centimeter is cut out. This radius of each quadrant is 1 here, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Now, and a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is also cut out from here. Its diameter is 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the remaining portion, means we have to find the area of this region. Now let us start with area of square. First of all, side of square 4 centimeter. So area of square will be a square, means side into side. We will get area of square. Now we will find this area of this circle. Radius of circle here is 2 by 2, that is 1 centimeter. Therefore area of circle that is cut out in the middle region is equal to pi r square. We will put r is equal to 1, find its value, let it be 2. Now we are going to find the area of each quadrant. Area of one quadrant will be 1 by 4 pi r square. Here r is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore area of 4 quadrants will be 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. 4 get cancelled, we are left with pi r square. This is let it be equation 3. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be 1 minus, means area of square minus 2 plus 3, means we will add area of circle and area of quadrants together and subtract it from equation 1. We will get the area of shaded region. In this way we can solve these questions 1 to 5. Again I am telling, if you are not able to get the answer, please write in the comment box.